Are you new to Facebook ads and looking for guidance on how to get started? In this video, we'll cover the basics of Facebook ads and how to use them to grow your business. First, it's important to understand why Facebook ads can be an effective tool for businesses. With over 2 billion active users, Facebook offers a massive audience for your ads to reach. Additionally, Facebook's targeting options allow you to reach the specific demographics and interests that are most relevant to your business. To get started with Facebook ads, you'll need to set up an Ads Manager account. This is where you'll create, manage, and track your ads. Once you have your Ads Manager account set up, the first step is to select your campaign objective. This will depend on what you want to achieve with your ad, such as website traffic, app installs, or video views. Next, you'll want to choose your targeting options. This can include demographics like age, gender, and location, as well as interests and behaviors that are relevant to your business. One tool that can help you get even more out of your Facebook ads is the Facebook Pixel. This is a piece of code you can add to your website to track user behavior and optimize your ads for conversions. By analyzing data from the Facebook Pixel, you can gain valuable insights into how users interact with your website and use that information to create more effective ads. So, are you ready to get started with Facebook ads and grow your business? With the right targeting, ad format, and monitoring, Facebook ads can be a powerful tool to help you reach your business goals. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments if you have any additional tips or questions about Facebook ads for beginners.